So finally, with some fondling and stuff and redoing, I finally managed to put it all together. Stick it and leave it on for transportation. And maybe I leave it on forever. Don't know. Now it pushes a bit on the front side. It's not quite that good a fit, but so what. So now for the power. Actually, if I use the 10 watt resistor, we are a bit low on power, so it's then only about 5 watt, if I'm right. 6 watt, yeah, 6.5 watts there around. So I don't have other resistors. I only have 5 is, I think, the smallest I have. This is a 10 actually. So I can actually, from the maths, it should work out. Ooh, where is it? Where is it? For 2.5 ohms. That would be good, I think. Then we're around 900, 1000 milliamps. And that would be equal to about 12 watts. That's okay for this size of LEDs. So first we tried with the fiber and see how much we get there. Problem is my device here for now it gets messy again. My bench power supply here. A bit stupid. Yeah, I can show you this way, so we'll see where we are. So now, no. I have to thin these guys here. This actually shows you how much volts it has now. It's 8.37. If it runs, if it heats, if it goes to the balancing, then it's more, about 9 point something. So, pin. Yeah, I know you don't see much here, but what will I do? I don't have other camera now. Maybe I buy one. If you follow me, give me likes and subscribe and stuff and share, and you know how this works. So we put 10 around here. No fiber. No, come on. Stick. Great. So then, let's see. Now, how much do we have? 12 volts. Yeah, we can do it with 30. No, let's do 12.5. So now the current I put about 500 for the beginning. So that's minus, that's plus. Now turn on. Now it's running. Can you see that? On 9.13 volts, 400 95 milliamps. Let's see where we get here. Now we have 1 amp limit. It's still on 10 volts. It's quite bright with 1 amp. So now I leave it on 1 amp setting. Now I move the power supply to this side of the resistor. See what happens. Turn it on again. .5 volts, 610 milliamps. So now I have no meter here. One moment. Yeah, now it's time for the El Cheapo meter. Just for checking real quick what we have. It's actually not bad. The light is quite nice color. Expected worse. So let's see what we have here. Can you see this? Oh, it's light. Come on. .4 volts. And 9.5. See, that's now actually on the over the resistor we have about 3.4 or 5 volts on 600 milliamps. .45 and 680 milliamps. Okay, so let's turn off now for a second. So yeah, I'm not good at calculating in that, so better leave this. Yeah, there is much to cut out here on this video, that's for sure. So now we have another flavor here, even more ugly than the first one. Yeah, try this again, huh? So now we have another fire. Now this one, the idea is now to do them parallel to some kind of artwork, to have them parallel here. Så, kom ett steg. So we need the iron. Don't do this. It's not good for your chip. But the brass one is not here right now. So, already 230, 40, 50. Woohoo! Almost 300, 280, 290, 300, yay! This got quite warm already.